Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Roblox membership not activating. The first and foremost thing that you need to do is try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data network to see if it is a connection issue. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off, which resets some connection issues. The other thing that you can do is head over to the settings on your device, scroll down, tap on apps, scroll down one more time, tap on Roblox, scroll down again, hit storage and then clear data and clear cache of Roblox and try relogging into Roblox. Do remember that you must wait for at least 24 to 48 hours for the payment to process and the account status to update. If you have waited for that long and if you have still not got your membership, then you can head over to Google Chrome on your device and then in the search bar simply type in roblox.com/support. Here you must enter your username, your first name, your email address, and then select the type of device that you're using. In the help category type, tap on billing and payments, and then in the subcategory you can select I have an issue with a subscription purchase, and then describe your issue shortly. Hit continue, after which Roblox will ask for ownership verification, and then after registering your ticket, Roblox will contact you shortly. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.